Hello my psychics, she's the fighter here. Show you my pot figures. Actually no, I'll just leave it like this. Sorry if the lighting's not good. The light bulb is not that good. Hot Moth. That's a new one I got from Mortal Kombat X. Liu Kang. This Katana. Blue from Lost World. Ladybug. And Cat Noir. Yeah, I'm actually going to get more, just that I got that one today's in the new store, so. And I'm making my own fidget spinner. The Ladybug one, but where the version. Now what I did, I just used nail polish just to cut around there, and then I just, let me just, okay, and I just use them, just you put red dots onto it. I know you can hardly see it. Let me see if this will be better. Is this better? Okay. Yeah, so once they're dry and that's dry, I can actually, what am I going to do with this? There. Dang it. Okay. Once that's dry, actually, sorry Hog. Okay. Just going to leave that there to dry. It may take overnight, but anyway, yeah. Also got a new the PEZs today. This one. Can't remember what this one is, but this one's Spitting Dinosaur. Dottosaurus. I think that's what I got. Yeah, got that today anyway. Lucky. So now I got all three of them. Just gotta wait for my cousin to send over the box anyway. Unless she handed to him. I'm going down because my uncle's gonna come over anyway. Don't think I showed you these before. Butterfly pictures. The painting I made. That I did. Butterflies again. Cinderella. It's actually from Florida. I made that painting. My cat. Sorry if you could really see it. As I said, the lighting. Butterflies. My mom did out of the wallpaper there, since I'm really mad into butterflies. And then for something else. Yeah. And that's my cat painting picture. And then my stuff on the floor, which I gotta sort out. Yeah. Anything else? Yeah, I think I showed you what I told you before. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry, let me just sit back down. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah, this is new for my dad. When he was away. What I have in here. Okay. Let me just one hand. Just my colors. See? My colors. The twisty crayons, which are a lot easier, but I need to get more. Yeah. Then I just have you know, these, which I actually need to finish doing that, which I need my colour pencils for, so I'll do that later. I think in the later video I need to say I'm going to use the colour pencils to do that. And I already did that one before. I did that one. See, a Chinese woman with a fan. I know I'm supposed to do with different colours, but when I did that, I didn't have colour pencils, or ones I needed. Then this one, and then yeah, these that I did, that I printed out that I need to colour. Archie Landa. See, they're just crosswords that I'm doing. That's one that I haven't done. Same with that one. I need to finish colouring that one. Now that I can use my colours. I need to finish doing that. I need to do her tail, the different colours of the rainbow. To do her one like that and then spike. Then I finished her, it's just that it's the back here that need to be done. I need to do these and then one of them. I know this video is a bit boring, but I've been busy, so that's about it. Teresa the Fighter signing out. Peace.